Now, which chromosome contains the ABO locus? हमारा blood groups जो होता है A group, B group, O group, etc. कहते हैं ना. So you should remember O group is universal donor. किसी को भी O अपना O plus, O positive, they can be able to donate the blood. Donor. Then AB is called as universal recipient. Anybody's blood group they can be able to receive, right? AB positive, they can be able to give to anybody who has a positive blood group, and either A or B or anybody. So I mean they can receive. So from anybody. So universal recipient. So A group है या B group है या O group है. Where is this decision made? It is in the chromosome 9, you need to remember. बहुत बार staff nurse recruitment exam में this question has been asked. It is a long arm of the chromosome 9. The shock which results from the allergic reaction, इसको क्या कहते हैं? इसको कहते हैं anaphylactic shock. So anaphylaxis, you should know the word anaphylaxis. What is the meaning of the word anaphylaxis? Whenever there is any antigen, what is the meaning of antigen? See, रूपा है और गीता है. गीता का skin is different from, रूपा का skin is different from गीता का skin. अगर आप रूपा के स्किन को लाके गीता में लगाए तो, नहीं तो गीता के स्किन लाके रूपा में लगाए तो, obviously the रूपा's body will react and reject it, right? So how does the body respond to reject somebody which is not mine, right? If you bring your liver and give to me, how will I reject it? For that I produce antibodies. I produce antibodies to reject your tissues if they are put into my body. So your tissue is called antigenic. And to reject that, if it is not mine, I produce antibodies. So a antigen जो होता है, ये जाके one of the white blood cell called B lymphocyte, उसको sensitize करेगा. And that will produce something called immunoglobulin E. Immunoglobulins को कहते हैं antibodies. ये immunoglobulin E जाके a basophil बोल के another white blood cell है, उसके ऊपर जाके बैठेगा. Right? Now, future में अगर आइंदा future में once more if you happen to expose them to the same antigen, then this antigen come and bridges to this antibody, and that will make this cell. What is this cell called? Mast cell. इसको क्या कहते हैं? Mast cell. Mast cell immediately histamine बोल के एक substance को release करेगा. किसको release करेगा? Histamine को release करेगा. एक histamine जाके blood vessels रहते ना? Blood vessels में आपको एंडोथेलियम बोलते हैं. ब्लड वेसल वॉल के ऊपर बैठे हुए सेल्स को एंडोथेलियम बोलते हैं. ये एंडोथेलियम विल प्रिवेंट द ब्लड इनसाइड द ब्लड वेसल फ्रॉम लीविंग द ब्लड वेसल फ्रॉम गोइंग आउट. But this histamine will increase the permeability of the vessel and make the fluid inside the blood vessels to come out, and that will collect and swelling occur, which is called as edema. So this kind of a reaction is called anaphylaxis. जब anaphylaxis होता है, the blood, the plasma which is there inside the blood vessel is leaving out because vascular permeability, the blood vessel ka permeability is increased by the action of the histamine. So the plasma, that is the blood inside the blood vessel, कम हो गया. जब blood vessel के अंदर blood कम हो जाता है, then that lead to development of shock. मगर ये शॉक किसके वजह से हुआ? ये शॉक हुआ था एनाफिलैक्सिस के वजह से. एनाफिलैक्सिस क्या होता है? जब एक एलर्जन और एंटीजन बी सेल को स्टिमुलेट करेगा, बी सेल जाके मास्ट सेल को स्टिमुलेट करेगा, और मास्ट सेल नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन वंस मोर दैट एंटीजन का एक्सपोजर हो गया समझो, then that will cause the release of the histamine is what you have to basically understand. So this is how typically all that fluid comes out and lead to development of swelling. This is called what type of shock? Anaphylaxis is what you need to remember. So that is what examiner is asking.